Hanging out again with my buddy Gavin here in India at Aaran 1 Engineering. Also, welcome back to MTD CNC India. And today we're going to talk about the importance of quality. I heard a rumor one time that said, you can't cut a part that you can't measure. What is quality and what does that mean to you, Gavin, here at Aaran 1?
Well, quality for us is the soul of our business. Without quality, we don't have any customers. And it's extremely important to really focus that to the team. And I'm sure when you walk around the facility, you can see that everything we try and do is all about quality. Right from the cleanliness, right from the layout, right from the pride in our branding. This is something that we emphasize to the team. And I've always pushed, that our reputation of everything. We cannot have customer complaints. We cannot have issues with parts, because with that, then we won't have any future business.
So Gavin, I know you work in a lot of different countries with a lot of different people, so I would imagine, based on where you are and where you're working, the ability to throw maybe more people to make sure that quality is there. The customers that you work with around the world really appreciate that quality and that focus that you have on quality, don't they?
They do, and I think the main issue we face, obviously being in a lower cost region, is that people are expecting our quality to be automatically bad. So we have to start off with being guilty of poor quality. Then we have to prove that our quality is good. So we're kind of working in reverse. The good aspects of being in low cost is it allows us to employ more people, because obviously labor rates are less. And it allows us to actually do what we're supposed to do by checking components, having the time to 100% check, having the time to check each feature correctly. And then offer truly, when we know that we're packing our parts, we know that the parts are correct. And this is a big advantage to us, that, our quality is right up there with, we always pitch ourselves against anyone in terms of what we do, And then that really shows with the customers we've got, the continued support we have from our customers and the continued orders and allowing us to keep growing, is because our quality is everything to us. And it's something that I really take seriously, I get upset. If my quality is bad, I get upset. The last thing I want is someone to come to me and say, oh, your quality's not good. It's like my baby is not performing, so yeah.
I completely understand that. Guilty before proven innocent. You've mentioned to me that you kind of sometimes feel like you're punching up. You're doing this small to medium-sized shop that's constantly growing. I would imagine getting parts back, obviously, other than just being emotional to, it's your baby, right? Other than that, it's a loss of money. It's a loss of relationships, and you don't want that. Knowing your business character, you want your customers to be satisfied first time with good lead times every time.
Of course, lead times, quality is always, a topic in this industry, as we know. Everyone suffers with these 2 points. But certainly quality is a given now. You cannot run a business without quality. It doesn't matter how cost effective you are and what lead times you've got. So we always say quality is given. And that's why we continue to, show by our investment plan that not only do we put investment in machines, but we always add something in quality, that from the very offset, what started to allow us to grow is that we had 5 machines, but we spent equal amount of money in our inspection department than we did on the 5 machines. So, companies would walk in and say, wow, you've got 5 machines, but you've got, scanning machines as well as CMM, optical measuring equipment we had from the offset. So that kind of they could see that we were serious about what we wanted to do. We wasn't just talking quality, which happens a lot, And when you walk into a shop from this industry, if it's going to give you a quality product or not. You just know. You get that feeling that you walk in, you see the environment, you see the floor, and you see what's around, and you go, yeah, I feel, I'm feeling excited about it. And that's when we get a customer here, we don't walk away without an order.
Certainly domestically, but also globally, there are quality issues that happen from companies around the world. Right? So people are watching right now, hearing your passion and the fact that you had 5 machines and invested the same amount in that type of service, are wanting to know how they can get in touch with you. What's the best way? Is this through the website? Is it through email? How would you like them to contact you to learn more about Aaran 1?
Yeah, I think obviously we're very active on LinkedIn, and a lot of our leads actually comes from that, people seeing us on there and reaching out to us. We are we're still very much unknown really about what we can do. You know, we're still a fresh company, a new company. But I think if people want to understand what we can do in terms of, our manufacturing capabilities and our quality, they should either go through the website or to drop us an email at info@aaran1engineering.com.
Absolutely perfect. So all of you who are paying attention right now, learning from this really great example of what it takes to invest in quality, take a look at Gavin Price, Aaran Engineering. Quality is incredibly significant, as you can see. Gavin, thank you so much for sharing that story with MTD and the global audience that's watching you, my friend.
Thank you.